As many of you may know, New Zealand has faced several devastating weather-related disasters in recent times. These disasters have caused significant damage to infrastructure, homes, and communities, leaving the country in need of support for its recovery efforts. To address this situation, the New Zealand government has introduced the Recovery Visa program. The Recovery Visa is a special initiative designed to attract skilled workers from overseas who can contribute to the rebuilding and recovery process. This visa aims to expedite the entry of foreign workers to ensure a smooth and efficient recovery for the affected areas. Now, you might be wondering, who is eligible for the Recovery Visa? Well, the visa is open to individuals with skills and experience in various industries, including construction, engineering, infrastructure development, healthcare, and many more. If you have expertise in these areas, this could be an excellent opportunity for you to contribute to New Zealand's recovery efforts. It's important to note that the New Zealand government is prioritizing the processing of recovery visa applications to ensure that qualified individuals can enter the country as quickly as possible. They understand the urgency and the need for skilled workers during this challenging time. Now, let's talk about the benefits of the Recovery Visa. First and foremost, successful applicants will have the opportunity to make a positive impact on the lives of those affected by the disasters. By bringing their skills and expertise to New Zealand, they can help rebuild communities and infrastructure, ensuring a brighter future for the country. Secondly, approved applicants will receive a temporary visa that allows them to work in New Zealand for a specific period and can earn $30,000 to $45,000, depending on the length of the recovery process. This means that you'll have the chance to gain valuable international work experience while making a meaningful contribution. Moving on to the application process, it's crucial to gather all the necessary documents and ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria. This includes providing evidence of your skills and qualifications, a valid job offer from a New Zealand employer, and demonstrating your ability to contribute to the recovery efforts effectively. To streamline the application process, the New Zealand government has set up a dedicated portal where you can submit your application online. It's always recommended to double-check the requirements and guidelines before applying to avoid any delays or complications. Lastly, if you're considering applying for the Recovery Visa, we strongly advise you to do thorough research and seek professional guidance if needed. Immigration policies can be complex, and having the right information and support will increase your chances of success. That's all for today's video on the New Zealand Recovery Visa. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on visas and immigration news from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.